For bar graph, we have to use graph paper. That is the first thing, okay, graph paper. Without graph paper, basically it is not allowed, but as the graph paper in this exam will not provide you graph paper from our school, okay, and we cannot say that you have to buy it from any shop. Okay, in this situation, I'm not telling that one also. So what you will do in a white page, okay, but be careful that the distance must be, that distance should be equal in between two bar. Okay, I'll say the rules, don't worry. Now just let me
don't know how to do it.
Exactly. Now let me explain by taking a question, okay. Look at this. Let me take this question.
Ma'am, may I say something?
Ninth one. Yes, say.
Ma'am, I have graph paper with me, so ma'am, can I do on it?
Okay, if you have this one with you, then you can do. Otherwise, no need to buy it from any shop. Okay, understood too?
Okay, ma'am, I have it.
Okay, then it is okay. Acha, now by its name, bar graph. Even by its name, we can say it is the representation of some data with the help of what? With the help of some bar. Okay. Now, bar. Basically, it looks like this, in this way. Just like a pillar. You know what? Just like a pillar. It is rectangular box. Understood? It is
okay,
a rectangular box. Okay. It looks like a pillar. Now look at this. By taking an example, I will explain this one. Achha, okay. Look at this. The numbers of books of different subjects sold at a shop in a particular month are given below. Okay. Yes, now, it is given Hindi books. How many Hindi books sold in a particular month? 60. How many English books were sold? 120.
120.
150. Science 130.
Yes,
Grammar
130.
So you have to
80.
You have to represent this with the help of bars. So for that, we have to draw two axes, two lines. One is horizontal, another is vertical. Okay?
Vertical. Yes, ma'am.
Vertical.
X-axis, Y-axis.
I cannot draw it properly as I am using the graphic tablet. Okay, so let me just take this one, huh? Wait for a minute. Acha, just 60, 120, any of the student, any one of you, just write the mention this, huh? Or keep the book open. Any of you, okay? Because I'll stop.
Yes, ma'am, we have.
Okay. Then it is okay. Now look at this.
We have the book.
Now look at this. Are you able to see the screen?
Ma'am, it is showing St. Xavier's has started screen sharing.
Now?
Yes, ma'am, black. Okay, ma'am. Okay, now okay.
Yes, ma'am, now okay.
Now look at this. Basically, to draw a bar graph, what to do? First, we have to take two lines. Okay, one horizontal, another vertical. Okay, just wait for a minute. Just take one horizontal line I have taken. Yes, so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Another vertical line we have to take. Exactly.
Horizontal.
Another vertical line we have to take. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Here you have to give arrow. Understood too? You have to put arrow sign over there. Arrow means what? We can extend. This is a ray. We can extend the line how much we want. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at this. So, in bar graph, look at this. We have to mention the books and the numbers according this axis, along with vertical axis, we can choose the numbers. Okay, suppose number of books.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
No, first try to understand. And along with this horizontal line, let us choose subjects. Understood? Acha, one more thing, let me explain. We have to put a zigzag way here, and as well as here, you will learn this about this in higher class. This is called king also. Okay, king also. This one means we are not starting from 0. Suppose, look at this. What does this mean? Suppose here we are taking the number of books too. Suppose we are putting in this zigzag way. That means it is not starting from 0. We can choose 10 here, 11 here, 12. Understood? So many numbers are here. But for this bar graph, no need to learn about this. Okay? Just which
Okay,
one
ma'am.
is okay. Now look at this. Listen to me. It's a subject. So first let us take how many subjects are there. Yes, that's
Ma'am,
it.
total 5.
Yes,
5,
ma'am,
okay?
total 5 subjects.
Total 5, okay. So,
Can I show you?
no, wait. Now keep quiet, okay? Acha. First, Hindi, right? So, first we have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
take Hindi in this way. Just make to mark. Because it will be a rectangular box now in this way. Understood? That's why make to mark. Okay? This one will be for Hindi. Now, give a gap. Next one is for what? Bengali? English?
Oh, ma'am, English.
Ma'am, English.
English.
This one Hindi.
Ma'am, but in the exam, we will draw like this or a rectangular box.
Wait, I'll say. Wait and watch. Huh? English. Next one say
Ma'am, it's maths.
Maths.
maths. Acha, now one more thing. Acha, next one say at first.
Ma'am, science and grammar.
This one
Science,
science,
then grammar.
then grammar.
Grammar.
Acha, now one more thing which you will have to remember. If you are taking the gap, look, it looks like same, huh? It will look like same. Suppose you are taking Hindi, for Hindi this much gap, and for English you are taking only this much gap. Don't do this. The gap must be equal, okay? So for English also the broadness breadth will be this. Acha, also one more point. Look the gap between Hindi and English. This much too.
Yes, ma'am.
The same gap will be in between English and maths, in between maths and science, in between each and every subject. Is it clear to everybody? The gap
Yes, ma'am,
must be
clear.
same. And also the breadth will be of the rectangle will be same. Okay, breadth or length, which one you are taking along horizontal line. Okay, look.
Okay.
If this one, I am taking Hindi this, suppose for English I am taking from here to here. Don't do this, huh?
No, ma'am.
It will also be of same length. Understood? Acha, now let me say one thing. How to do right now. Acha, here mark the box. Okay. Acha, box is starting from, tell me how many Hindi books are there?
Ma'am, 60.
60.
60. How many English?
Ma'am, 120.
120.
120. Maths?
150.
150.
Acha, science?
130.
130.
And 80.
80.
And
Acha,
grammar.
now, again we'll have to look at this. Which one is common factor of all of them? Greatest common factor, HCF. Highest common factor.
150. Ma'am, 150.
Wow.
Factor, not multiple.
Common factor. Look, if we take 10, 10 will divide all of
Ma'am,
them.
20 can be also.
Also,
Ma'am, 2 can be
20,
also.
130.
20 can be also. No. Here is
Yes,
150.
no.
130 is there.
Oh, yes, yes.
150 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
So
So 10.
only Only 10, exactly.
Only 10, ma'am.
So you have to choose the number of books in such a way so that all of this gap will be multiple of 10. Now look, first just take this distance as 10 unit, 10 books. Acha. Now what is the gap? With the same gap we have to do. We have to choose 20. Understood? With the same gap. Another case, 30.
But ma'am,
Same
it
gap,
will be
40.
more.
More, no, you have to do better, not more. Look, if we take 10, then only 150 is the greatest one. So maximum 15 dot you have to mark. Better you will get 3 or 4 marks. You have to do at least a minimum 3. Okay?
Ma'am, 30 can be also.
30 can be also.
No, 30
How?
ma'am can't
No,
divide
ma'am.
50.
130 is divisible by 30? No. Okay.
80 also, ma'am.
80 ma'am.
Now look at this. This will be 50, then 60. Everybody now, are you getting my points? Have you understood up to this? So yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
90, 100. Now 110, 120, 130, 140,
Ma'am, now
150.
we have to write.
Acha, just take one place more than 150, up to 160. One extra mark there. Okay, done. Now look.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you can start. If you have understood up to this. Acha, now, in the book, how many? 60 though. So where is 60?
Yes, ma'am.
So just it, where is 60? Here. So just
Yes,
make
ma'am, here.
dot line up to
Yes,
60.
ma'am.
Okay, then come back.
Ma'am, dot line.
I am making dot line because if I start to draw a line, it will definitely be a slant line, not vertical. Okay. Look, I am going to do this because I am using the graphic tablet and stylus. So look, it will not be a straight line. Okay. So, but you will have to draw a straight line. Okay. So understood though?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
It
Yes,
looks
ma'am.
like
yes,
a
ma'am. By
rectangle.
using scale, we can
Ma'am.
make it more accurate.
Exactly. I am not using the scale. Okay. So I cannot draw it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, say it.
Ma'am, I have graph paper in home, but they are very small. Means this type.
Millimeter graph.
Yes, ma'am.
Basically, there is also a rule. Huh? Suppose you are giving gap of 5 square box. Then always give 5 square box gap. Then here also give 5 square box gap. Okay, gap of 5 square box. One day, I'll show you with the help of graph paper. Okay. One day means before
Ma'am,
the
I
exam
also
in the
have
coming
graph
week.
paper.
Okay, then do it with the help of graph paper.
But ma'am, at now time I don't have it. I am doing in my maths copy.
Okay, then no issue. Acha, now 120. Next one is 120. 120 is where? Here. So we have to draw up to this. Yes.
Ma'am,
Now
please
just
wait. Doing.
make the rectangular box. I cannot draw a straight line. Okay. Let me just draw a dotted line.
Ma'am, how many graph paper will be need in exam?
Same question you are asking. I don't know why. This
Ma'am,
one
I
another.
think
Okay.
that we have to do in normal paper.
I told you, but just keep the gap same. If I see that the gap is not
Ma'am,
used
I
same,
have it. So, ma'am, I have only 2 graph paper. That's why I am asking. How many are needed?
it is not mandatory. I told you now. When it will be mandatory, we will provide you
Okay, ma'am.
from our school. Okay. Acha, next 150. So up to 150, we will have to draw dotted line. Here is 150. Now, basically line, straight line. Huh? I am making dotted line. अच्छा ये little bit हिला हुआ थोड़ा सा हिल गया. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We
Not
can
little.
understand.
Too
Not
much.
little,
Ma'am,
too
not
much.
problem.
Okay.
Not a problem, ma'am.
Not a problem. Exactly. Have you understood all the student?
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
a question.
ma'am.
Acha, which one is less? I'll draw that one. No, nothing. So all are big. 130, 150.
Ma'am,
Okay, yes.
80.
80 is lesser. Okay. So let me try it. Hi, yes. Divyanka, same.
Yes, ma'am. Can I make these boxes 3D by adding some lines?
Yes, whatever you want, yes, you can do. But it will be better if you draw this type of thing. It
Yes,
will look
ma'am.
better.
That only.
Yes, yes.
If you
yes.
have time.
If you have time, that is the main thing.
Time is very important.
You know everything,
Ma'am,
but only you don't know
write
maths.
more than 100. Ma'am, more than 60, 160. Can I write? I have space, ma'am.
Yes, you can write, but no need to write more. Just up to 170 or 180. Okay. Acha, 130 I have not drawn.
But we have to.
Ma'am,
You have
1 minute,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay, I am
don't have
also
book
doing.
today, ma'am. Can
पता
you
नहीं
wait,
ये क्या
ma'am?
हो रहा है पिला हुआ तेरा बेकार. Look at this.
Ma'am,
It
ma'am,
like
the
a word.
Hindi is up to which can you say?
Can I say what? Say again. Tell me.
Ma'am, I am telling them, ma'am, can you write the ma'am how much books it have on which subject, ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you write, please?
Yes, I'll write. Wait for a minute. Let me draw this unique figure. Okay. Now look at this. Acha, here Hindi. So this one is 63. Just here you can mention. Okay. 60 books. Understood? It is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. No, let me say. It is not mandatory. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Or just no need to write book, just 60, but by pencil. The thing will be by pencil. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 120, 150. Okay.
Acha, number of books here you will have to draw this arrow. This vertical arrow line here you will have to draw this horizontal arrow line. Okay.
150.
So all the student understood, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha, Sneha or Kon, Shuhana understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 win. 130, 80.
Understood.
Acha, now let me explain graph. Okay. Sorry, what I am telling. Let me explain pie chart. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Now Arpon, Poojan understood
Number
beta.
11.
Kazi, Anuva, Shridatri, Poritro, Shafin, Shoham.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, only
Acha,
3 minutes left to explain pie
Acha,
chart.
wait.
Now 2 minutes.
Now 2 minutes. Now, okay. Acha, now what is pie chart? Basically, pie means we can say pie.
Ma'am, food.
Acha, just let me write it. Pie chart means it will be in a circular chart. Okay. In a circle.
We will also write, ma'am.
Right.
Okay. No. Try to understand. Okay. Suppose this question, the same question, Hindi, English, maths, grammar, okay, are given. So we'll have to draw a circle first. Inside that, how to draw a pie chart? Let me draw a circle. Okay, all of you are able to see the circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, ignore
But
that.
it is
It
red.
is color.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it
But
is
ma'am,
colored
it is black in my screen.
black in your screen.
But ma'am, in my
Acha,
screen it is blue.
Okay, now definitely it must have a center.
When you are saying.
It must have a center. Now,
Ma'am.
how many subjects?
Yes, ma'am.
Hindi,
Ma'am,
English,
5.
5, okay. Then maths, science,
And grammar.
and grammar. Now look, so we'll have to break it into 5 parts. And with the help of that number of books, 60 books. This is 120. This is 150,
150, ma'am.
130, and 80, right?
80. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can check which one is more in number.
Ma'am,
Math.
150 is the
Greatest maths book. So definitely, if maths is taking this much of space, so definitely Hindi will not take the same space. Yes or no?
No, ma'am, less.
No,
Less.
ma'am.
120 will not take the same. 120 will take greater space than Hindi, but less space than maths. In this way,
Maths.
so we have to
Yes, ma'am.
break this thing into 5 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have to mention which one Hindi and how many books, which one maths, and you have to maintain the order also. Hindi, English, then maths. Suppose you are taking this one Hindi, then the next one exactly will be English. Next one will be maths. Next one in this way. But now the question is, how do you know how much space we'll consider for which subject? Because by guessing, though, we cannot do it, na?
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes. Say.
Ma'am, we have to add the number of all the subjects. Then we have to take a particular, ma'am, if we are taking Hindi, then 60 by that total number into 360 degree of an
Acha,
of a
why that
circle.
360 degree?
But because the total angle of a circle is 360 degree.
Exactly. Basically, it's central angle. If we draw the diameter, it is, suppose this one is the center. This one 180, this one 180. Total is
Yes, ma'am.
central angle is
360.
360. Acha, now the sum of books 60, 120, 150, 130, 80. Everybody listen to me. Divyanka knows the rule. That's why she told me.
Ma'am, 1 p.m.
The other student listen to me very carefully. Yeah? First, we will have to add them. Say, what will be the addition? Say.
Ma'am, 540.
540. Good.
24.
540, not degree. Okay. So this is total number of books. So definitely, if we represent in this pie chart, these 550 books, that means total central angle will be equivalent to these 550 books. Yes or no? In this total
Yes,
space,
ma'am.
we will represent these 550 books only. Sneha, yes or no? Purport?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so total 550 books. That means this total space will be filled with these 550 books. And also the total central angle, the central angle of this is 360 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll have to find the, just like when we are finding percentage, then into 100% we are doing, out of 100 we are doing too. The same thing,
Yes, ma'am.
here we will have to take this one, 360 degree, as the central angle is 360 degree. So suppose Hindi book is given 60 degree, 60 books. So out of 540, when the total number of book is 540, Hindi book is 60. Unitary method, when 1 is the total book, then Hindi book will be 60 by 540. Yes, so
Yes,
when
ma'am.
360 is total, then how many will be? 60 by 540 into 360.
Into
Understood or no? Understood?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
just we'll have to 6, 9, 54, 9 4s are 36. It will be 40 degree. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way,
But
the
ma'am, now how we will know that what is 40
which one is 40
degree
degree?
and how-
With the help of protector,
Yes.
we will have to do this one.
Protector.
This is not in your syllabus, okay? That how to draw this angle, okay, with the help of protector. But I'll explain this, don't worry, and before the exam also. But at first, let me complete the syllabus, okay? So, what will come in your exam? In the exam, it will not come that draw pie chart. No, already the pie chart will be given. You will have to answer from this pie chart. Okay, let me share your book. It will be very much
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
to you.
Understood.
Acha,
Ma'am, it
all
is
of you
given
understand?
in number 10.
It is given in which number? Just wait.
Ma'am, it's question number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Look,
199 page.
are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are able to see the book though?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And the time is
Acha.
1:05.
1-5. Acha, okay. Now number 10. Look at this. Acha. How to draw? Number 11 basically right now no need to learn about number 11. Okay? Because you will have to draw pie chart. When I will explain this with the help of protector, then only you will do this. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Today, now let me explain 1-5 now. Okay. Acha, how many students are left to show me the presentation? Sridhatri,
Ma'am,
Junaid.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
I
I
am also.
Ma'am,
Acha,
I also.
Trisha also.
Ma'am,
Na?
Trisha.
Ma'am,
Trisha.
Sneha.
Okay, okay. Let me complete this one at first. Huh? Acha, now look, it is given. Acha, the pie chart shows how Mr. King distributes his monthly income into different household expenses. Okay, suppose for house rent, okay, for savings, entertainment, okay, things are given. Now look, the amount is also given. Others, rent, this one is given grocery. It is very much
Yes, ma'am,
easy.
grocery.
Grocery.
Yes,
Okay, that,
ma'am. Grocery.
this one.
Eatables.
Eatable.
Yes, this one probably entertainment, no?
Entertainment. Yes,
But
ma'am.
okay, the amounts are also given. Now the question here. Acha,
Total 9,000.
what fraction of the monthly income Mr. King spend on entertainment? Acha, what fraction of monthly income? Monthly income means
5 by
this
1.
total though. This total, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shuhana,
ma'am.
Sneha, acha. So monthly income we have to find monthly income. What will be the monthly income? We have to just add them. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Then rupees 3,000. Then rupees 2,500. Then rupees 1,000. Then
Ma'am,
2,000.
10,000. 10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Okay. So total
Yes, ma'am.
monthly income 10,000. Now it is given what fraction of monthly income is of entertainment. Entertainment, in entertainment, how much spent? 2,000.
2,000.
So
5 by 1.
the required fraction will be exactly, the required fraction will be 2,000 by 10,000. Yes,
10.
no, these three, that will be 1
Yes,
by
ma'am.
5. Acha,
Yes,
if
ma'am.
I am asking central angle, then into 360 degree. Into 360 degree. Understood? 1 by 5 into 360
Okay, ma'am.
degree. Central angle for entertainment. Understood though? Acha, now next question. On which of the following expense Mr. King spent the greatest portion of his income? Same.
Rent.
Rent 3,000.
Rent.
Rent. 3,000.
If I am asking by how much? By what amount or by how much amount? Then you will have to write the amount also. By it is
3,000.
Acha, now
2,000.
what fraction of the income does Mr. King send in grocery?
Ma'am, 4 by 1.
This by 10.
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
4. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, what will be its central angle? What will
Ma'am,
be?
1 by 4 into 360 degree.
Into
Say, tell me the
360
answer.
Wait, ma'am.
90 degrees.
Exactly. That means when we draw in the pie chart, this will be the space for grocery. 90 degree. Understood?
Ma'am, it will be
Yes,
right
ma'am.
angle. Right angle, ma'am.
Right angle. Exactly. Acha, now what is this? Okay. Everybody understood yes or no? Tazif, Rifa,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Junaid,
Yes,
Fauzi,
ma'am.
Shoham,
Yes,
Anisha.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, Mirza, Orgodip, Tuhinur, Safin.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Tuhinur,
Yes, ma'am.
Shinjini. Continuously you are keeping your camera off. When I am not going to mark you your present attendance, then don't write in the chat section, okay?
Ma'am, now we can solve presentation.
Yes.
Now my video.
Acha, okay. So
But ma'am, today
basically,
I can't see show you, ma'am.
today you
Ma'am,
cannot.
can I put the video